In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram other stories not showing by following a few simple steps. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But starting off, if Instagram is already open, go ahead and begin by just exiting it by swiping up and completely closing the app. This is going to clear any temporary glitches that can stop stories from loading. If you load back into it and stories still aren't loading for you, go ahead and back out of Instagram again and open up the App Store for you or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device, and just type in Instagram just like so, and then select Instagram up at the very top and just make sure that there's not an update. If there is an update, go ahead and update it and then reopen up Instagram and check to see if stories are showing again. Most of the time, this alone fixes 90% of the issues. But if stories still aren't showing for you, go ahead and select your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. Select the three dots all the way up in the top right corner, and then go ahead and scroll down. And what you're going to want to do is just log out of your account and then log back in. If it gives you the option to save your login info, go ahead and do that if prompted. It's just going to make it a little bit easier. But from here, if the problem is still continuing, go ahead and open up your phone settings, scroll down to the general section, and then find the date and time option on here, and go ahead and make sure that this is set to automatic. This will fix 90% of the problems as well, because for some reason an incorrect date and time can prevent stories from loading properly. And if you're still having issues, just go ahead and uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it, and that should fix it. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.